Morning, folks. This is Phil from Shop Talk with our second show on the road here in sunny Orlando, Florida. I thought I'd do an update on the beer can muffler. Alright, there it is. Bud Light repair. She's on there. She's holding pretty good. It's not gonna get you a permanent repair, but this is a temporary, just to get you to where you need to go. Looks like we have some skeptics out there, so I thought I'd follow up on some of my viewers' comments. Things like, surely that'll never get you home. You need a new truck, and I might be an alcoholic. So I thought I'd put some of these to rest. I did mention in my video last that the repair was not meant to get me home. It was meant to get me nearest repair shop, parts place, whatever. Secondly, nothing wrong with the truck, don't need a new one. And the third one, well, still to be determined. But I thought I'd put the test to the beer can muffler, and I drove over 250 kilometers with it, and it started to leak. I did make it to Orlando from the Keys, which is 538 kilometers, but it did fall off. Now folks, this was not meant to get me home. I did go to Parts Source and get some parts to make the repair. I'll make a correction there. It was not Parts Source, it was Advanced Auto Parts, because we are in the US. So I'll just take a quick look. Didn't take me too long to repair it. Cost me about 25 bucks. This is pretty cheap. Could have took it in, but I thought, hey, what the heck, I'll do it myself. So there we are. A little couple of unions, or sorry, couplings, and three exhaust clamps, a little bit of paste, and for surely that'll get me home, last me probably the rest of the year. Unless, rest of it rots out. Muffler's good, new muffler, so should be alright, but I will take it in and get a proper exhaust put on it, or buy a new truck, as some of my viewers have said. So, we do have another little problem I came across. I realized it actually a few days ago, and we're going to make another repair here on Shop Talk. Over here at the pooper hose, I'll call this the draining station. You can probably see, I don't know if it's, looks like I've got a little crack in my gray water line, and that is from the kitchen sink. It feeds into the main line and it drains out. Now it's not a crack in the gray water, the main gray water tank or black water tank. It's just the small one coming from the front kitchen sink. What I think happened last season when I stored it, I must have ended up with a small amount of water in this area, and it froze and cracked the pipe. So I'm gonna go to Lowe's or Home Depot, and I'm gonna get a piece, probably a coupling, I believe might be long enough to fit in there, and I'm gonna make that repair sometime today or tomorrow. Jacksonville, Florida. Drove a little bit north. Gonna find my parts for the gray water tank to make my repairs. Okay, I'm back here on Shop Talk. This is Phil, and I do have my trusty handy cameraman Lucas helping me out today. Came back from Home Depot. We're at the top end of Florida, bottom end of Georgia. We're right on the border. And in this area, they don't seem to use ABS. Everything is PVC. They don't even carry ABS up here, down here in the freedom land of Trumptopia. So what I did buy is I bought a couple couplings and some ABS to PVC glue. So I bought these things to fix our gray water line, and the crack in the gray water line is longer than 4 inches. It's actually 6 inches long.
So even with two couplings together, I still need to put in a small piece of pipe. So I got to thinking about it, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring all this stuff back to Home Depot. I'm going to return it, and I'm just going to wrap some Gorilla Tape around the crack for now. I'll buy some ABS when I get back to Canada, or maybe the northern states might carry ABS, I'm not sure. So let's go make that repair and see how good the tape works. So we're back here at the gray water front line, gray water line. You can see the crack is right here. I'm gonna just wipe this off a little bit, and I'm gonna measure it one more time. I measured it earlier. It's roughly just under 6 inches, about 5 and a quarter, 5.5 inches long. So I'm going to use my Gorilla Tape. It's very sticky stuff. I think this will do just fine until I'm able to fix this thing properly. Also had to make sure that nobody used the sink so it stays dry and no water leaking out while I'm trying to put the tape around. Alright, that's it. Looks like that should work pretty good. This edition of Shop Talk. Remember folks, if it doesn't fit, modify it.